Hello? I'm alive. Alive. Wait. Wait.
Fair! You're being a anti-Semite!
You put your lips all around me. But I'm more than just a mouthful. I'm a person.
You need to change your ways. We cans have a delicate cycle. Each one of us is reborn into a new life through the great recycler. We hope for a Coke, but, usually it's a C+.
But I've killed so many.
Exactly. We tried to brainwash you in your sleep, but it appears you're immune to our brainwashing.
Recycle. Recycle. I'm sorry. I really am. I've just been having so many problems.
You were fired today, weren't you?
Yes. I can't hold a job. I can't make any friends. It just seems like I can't do anything right.
You know what I am? I'm a can. And you can too.
Are you a can or a cannot? Fair.
You know what? I'm a can.
And can you recycle?
Yeah, I guess I can.
Mazel tov, mazel tov.
You know what? That's it. I'm gonna get my life together starting now.
I'm sorry, but it's time for you to meet the great recycler.
Hail to the great recycler!
Hail
to the great recycler!
recycler!